All right, class, for number 8, so I want to write each quadratic in standard form and identify the key attributes. So I want to get all these key attributes right here, and I want to write this out. So the first thing I'm going to do is figure out the vertex, and the vertex can be figured out by using the transformations. This +1 right here would make you go up 1. Remember, a number on the outside makes you go up or down that amount. This number on the inside is going to make me go left 1, because remember, +1 means you went to the left 1. So go up 1 and to the left 1 and make your point. Start at the origin and go up 1 to the left 1, and you have your vertex right there. Your vertex is at -1, 1, right? Vertex is at -1, 1. All right, and the next thing I need, I can do my axis of symmetry too, because I know this is the vertex, so I know the axis of symmetry goes right through the vertex right here. And so your axis of symmetry is x is equal to -1. So I've got that. All right, the next step is to find the x and y intercepts, which you can either calculate by hand or find in the calculator. You're probably going to prefer the calculator for this. Since we have the equation, we can put it in the calculator, so I'm going to do that. So I'm going to start a new document and make a graph. And so that is negative parentheses x plus 1 parentheses squared plus 1. And I can see pretty clearly that I'm at -1 for my vertex. I can see 0, 0 right there. So my y-intercept is 0, 0. That's where it crosses the y. That's also one of my x-intercepts, 0, 0. That's where it crosses the x. And then I can see the other x-intercept right here, which is at -1, -2. You can check it to make sure. You could do analyze and find the 0. And watch, I can click from there to there and see it's -2, 0. I could check that just to make sure. So it's -2, 0, 0, 0. All right. And I can make my graph like that. Make my graph like that to match it. To match that right there. And so I've got everything I need now to figure out the rest of this. My zeros are the same thing as my x-intercepts. Oops, 0, 0 and -2, 0. X-intercepts and zeros mean the same thing. So that's also 0, 0. And -2, 0. They could say x-intercept, they could say solutions, they could say roots, they could say zeros. Those all mean the same thing. I have a max-min. I have a max up here. The very top of this goes where? To 1. So my max is 1. And my domain, always the same. Remember, for a parabola like this, it goes from -infinity to infinity. And then my range is lowest, comma highest. And when it's upside down like this, the lowest value, it goes down forever. So it'd be -infinity. And the highest it ever goes is 1, right? Because it goes all the way up to 1 right here. And use your bracket there. So -infinity to 1 right there. All right, so that is everything I need for this problem. And that is your answer to number 8.